Good afternoon, everybody. This is me, Super Mario Loudhouse 2003. In today's video, we're going to be something quite different today. We're not doing any DVD reviews, no DVD overviews, or VHS overviews, or anything like that. No. Those will be in the next videos. Well, in today's video, we're going to be doing a supplemental unboxing today. And before we get into that, I want to showcase my, let me get it out real quick. Yep. Something I've never shown that has never been shown on my YouTube channel is this. Yep. Now, yes, I've never shown my Nintendo Switch. I don't think I've ever done that before on my channel, or at least, yeah, but now, now you've seen it. Yep, so, yeah, so I've had this Switch for about almost 5 years now. It still works, though, and everything. Yeah, it still works and everything, and I'm going to show you right now that it still works. As you can see, I have some of the games on here. Just want to give you a quick demo that it works and everything. Like, for example, I have Mario Tennis, Mario Golf Super Rush in it. Yeah. Yeah. As you can see, it still works and everything. Yep. Yeah, it's just a quick demo that I'm showing on my Switch, my Nintendo Switch. Let's try YouTube. Yep. Yep, YouTube yep. And of course, I do watch YouTube on my Nintendo Switch as well. Alright. Sorry about that. Accidentally clicked something on it. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, I've watched some of the movies on it. Well, anyway, that's that. So, hang on. Anyway, so that's my Nintendo Switch that I've had. I first got this in Christmas 2020. Yep. But that's not the point of this video. So the point of this video, I've got something much better. I got a Nintendo Switch 2 for my birthday. Yep, that's right. I finally own a Nintendo Switch 2. And this thing looks amazing, actually. I've also heard that it's better than the original, like I showed you. And more powerful too. So yep, I finally own one. Yep, I'm gonna be unboxing it, so show you everything that comes with it. So I'm gonna be opening it up and show you what comes with it. So be right back. Alright, so I just got it unboxed, and I'm gonna show you everything that comes with it. First off, we got the Nintendo Switch 2 tablet, which is approximately the size of as an Android tablet. And we got these Joy-Con 2 controllers. which, yeah, looks pretty cool. Yep. Also this, what else? The charger for it. All the charging stuff, the charging cables. And in here we have the condom grip for it. So you can like put it. Yeah, it's just like the regular Switch, but it's just like Switch 1, except it's slightly better. And we have the charging box for it. And in here, we have the dock for it. Hang on. All right, I got it out and everything. Yeah, it looks pretty nice for what it is, I must say. Here's the back. I don't want to break it, but I think I may have to pause the video again to open the back, so I'll be right back once again. All right, so I figured out how I got the back part out, and now here what we get inside of the dock. We got the HDMI out input, the AC adapter, and the LAN, so you can like plug in the LAN cables, like for connecting to a wired Wi-Fi, like if you're having trouble connecting to it like wirelessly and everything. Yep. So yep. And in this box we have the, there we go, we have the instruction manuals right in here. Yeah, just instruction manuals that nobody even uses. And we have the HDMI cable, so I can, obviously, for hooking it up to your television. And here are the I think these are the wrist straps for the Joy 2 cons, or Joy-Con 2s, whatever you want to call them. So yep. So now I'm gonna put everything back in its put everything back in the box to wrap up the video. So please wait. Actually, I changed my mind. I'm actually gonna wrap up the video right here. So that'll be my in conclusion of my Nintendo Switch unboxing. And I'll probably I don't know, maybe I'll show you, maybe I'll do a walkthrough of the Nintendo Switch 2 pretty soon, but that'll be in another video. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and be sure to rate, comment, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. So Super Mario Loudhouse 2003 signing off.